Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to upload a 3-minute long Instagram reel to your Instagram account as a Reels video. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn more about using short video for visibility, and let's just jump straight in. Okay, so my mobile phone is on the screen. When we go to the Reels tab, you can see that there are lots of different reels in here. Now, in order for you to upload a 3-minute long Instagram reel, all you have to do is press the plus button and make sure that the toggle at the bottom is set to Reels. Now find your 3-minute long video. It has to be below 3 minutes in order for it to sit in the Reels shelf, and I'll explain that to you in a second. So let's just go along. There's one there. Click on the one that you want to upload and click next. Now, the video is in here, and what we can do now is you can see that there are some choices here, quite a lot of different things that you can do. Now, I've already got captions on this video because I actually created it in TikTok and I'm repurposing it here to Instagram. But if you didn't have captions, you could just scroll along here, and where it says CC, you go ahead and click that and it will give you the captions inside of Instagram. Another thing to note is that if you wanted to write any words, you can just add in text. So shopping basket haul, and you can move the text up and down by using your finger on the screen. So let's just pop that up there. You can see that it's showing you the area that is going to be visible as well. So just make sure you get your writing in there. Now, you might want to only have the title on for a little while. So in order for you to edit that, go down and click the edit video option, and you can see that the writing is going to be visible all the way through the video. If you don't want it to be, just click on the writing and then just drag it over to where you want it to stop. So as you can see there, we're getting to the end. So I'm just going to have it showing for a little bit. Now, you can do some other things in here. You can add audio, you can add stickers, you can add clips and overlay, and you can edit. So if you want to edit, you can click edit, and you can either speed up your clip or split your clip or replace your clip. So you can decide what you want to do with that, but I've already got my clip all ready to roll. So once you're happy with everything, all you have to do is click the next button and we're ready to roll. Now, if you want a place card on the front, you can go edit cover, and you can actually write on the front with some words if you want, or you can wait for it to load and choose the section of the video that you want on the front. So just wait for that a second. So as you can see, I can just pull my scroll along right and left to wherever I want mine to go. But I'm going to keep it near the front. I'm going to have it here. And then I'm going to put in here cholesterol lowering foods for shopping basket. Now, you can make this bigger or smaller by moving this toggle. I'm just going to leave it like that. Click done and move it into the middle. Now, this is only going to show up as a title. So as soon as the video starts playing, this will disappear. Click done, and then can check your profile grid by clicking there, and you'll see where it looks, and you can move it up and down if you want to. Then all you've got to do is add in your caption. So just add in your caption, cholesterol. Add in any hashtags that you might want. So I'm just going to add in this one, and then click OK. And then you can either save it as a draft, or you can click share. Or if you want to, you can scroll down and click more options, and you can actually schedule the reel to go out later. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to click share. So it's going to upload the video to Instagram. So let's just let that upload. You do have to keep the Instagram app open whilst you finish posting. So do keep it open, even if it takes a little bit of time. Just put your phone down on the side and let it upload, because it's a 3-minute long Instagram reel. It's going to take a little bit of time to get up there, depending on your Wi-Fi or your internet strength. Okay, so now you can see that it's uploaded. Now what you do is you go to your account and refresh the page, and you can see that the video is there in my grid. And if I go to the Reels tab, you can see when I click on it that the video is there, and you can see when I move the scroll over that that's 1 minute, that's 2 minutes, and we keep going all the way across, and that is 3 minutes. So that's how you add a video to your Instagram grid as a Instagram reel, which is up to 3 minutes long. Drop any questions that you might have in the comments. Don't forget to give me a subscribe, and do share this video with whoever you think might want to watch it. My name's Anita Wong, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.